Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we are checking out the brand new 2025 Sunseeker 3010 Class C motorhome by Forestriver RV. This is the big brother product to the Forestriver Forester Class C motorhome as well. You may have seen them out there. We're going to take a few minutes here, kind of walk you through the inside and outside of this Class C and show you what this thing is all about. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are going to step up here into the 3010 Sunseeker motorhome. You can see the steps come down nice and low. There's a little battery compartment right down here. Just inside here, you're going to have your battery disconnect, some light switches, awning switch, motion light, heat duct. This had the auto level option on it, so you got auto level jack controls here, and then solar control here. Well, let's get up in here real quick. I'm going to show you what this thing really looks like here. So again, as you see it on the floor plan that was up a few seconds ago, this is a 2 slide out motorhome here. Now this one was ordered with the optional theater seat instead of the regular sofa. So it does have a power theater seat right there with USB charger ports, cup holders and stuff, and even the little removable tables built in there. I like the fact that they did a lot of nice cabinetry across the whole top of the slide out there, trying to give you a lot of extra storage. You're going to have big windows in that slide out that do open. Pull down roller shades. You have a nice large U-shaped dinette here that will make a bed, and also have some drawers underneath of there as well. Now kind of looking right across from your theater seat, you have your 12 volt powered TV, smart TV there. You have quite a bit of overhead cabinet space as well. And the TV actually flips up too, and there's storage space behind it. A pretty good amount of counter space here too. Got a little pop-up electric outlet and USB charger port there. You got a flip-up counter extension again, multiple drawers and storage space underneath of here. High-rise sprayer faucet, that window does open. You have the convection microwave, so you can cook or microwave either one. 3-burner gas stove top. Over here, you're going to have some controls. You got propane leak detector down below, electric outlet there. You're going to have your digital thermostat for your propane furnace, and also your AC, which you have a little inverter control stuff here. You're going to have dimmer switch for some of the lights. You got your 12 volt winter package here. You're going to have security light for the light outside. You have your slide button, generator start stop, gas electric water heater controls, hour meter. So you got a few different things here. You're going to have a turbo exhaust fan up above here. You got the 12 volt Furrion refrigerator here as well. Over here, you will have kind of a little pantry area where you can stash some goodies, but then they did this little pull-out basket thing here too. Shower-wise, you're going to have a step-in shower, ABS tub surround, skylight up above, and you basically step up from this living room kitchen area into the bedroom bathroom area here. So for privacy, what they do basically is they make this bathroom door actually swing all the way around and becomes kind of a wall. So that allows you to take a shower and have a little bit of privacy. You got a few little hook holders up there, mirror in there, some more storage. Got the porcelain foot flush toilet, and little sink area and stuff all right here. And then you have your bed area back here. So you're going to have the bed on a slide out. There's a little bit of storage underneath the bed also. A little end table on this side. Window on each side does open. Big window in the back. You got a hanging closet on each side. Some storage behind that 12 volt TV right there. And below, and also some underneath. This one again was ordered with 2 ACs, both GE ACs. low profile style. So we'll show you that when we get outside. We're going to actually look at the fiberglass roof and everything up here. Now, kind of coming up to the front section here, you have your little loft area up here. See, there's some storage over there, window over there opens. I like the fact that they did not put a window in there. That front windshield window kind of thing that you see in a lot of Class Cs is the biggest leaking problem in most of them. Driving down the road at 70 miles an hour and the water trying to push in there and stuff. So I'm glad they left that out. That's definitely a plus in my opinion. Some of you may like the windows, but I don't think you will in the future when it starts to have problems. You are going to have another window over there. That window does open. This little bunk area right here comes out, giving you more headroom when you're traveling, or, you know, if you just don't want it in your way, you can have it up out of the way. Ladder would actually mount over here when it's in storage mode. And then right here, you are going to have this one was ordered with the 2 seats. So both of these seats here actually spin around like this, and it comes with the little extra height pad there. Now that's technically an option. You don't have to get them if you don't want them to do that. On this floor plan though, it's kind of useful, giving you extra seating area for people. I definitely like that. But again, not all dealers order them with that. So kind of your choice, however you want to order it. That's one of the beauties about the folks at Couch's RV Nation. They actually will retail order campers for their customers. You put down a nice deposit, they'll order you what you want with reasonable factory options and stuff like that. So definitely talk with them about that if that's something like that interests you. All right, now we're going to step outside. I want to show you around the outside of the RV. We're also going to check out the roof and stuff, and we'll check out the cab area a little bit too. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we are back on the outside of the brand new 2025 Sunseeker 3010 Class C motorhome right here. Starting here on the door side, we're going to work our way around for you. So first things up, this one was ordered with the standard graphics exterior for Sunseeker. This is a white fiberglass exterior, aluminum studded foam block insulated sidewall attached to the upgraded composite material. They do offer a couple different exterior paint jobs available as well. So kind of your choice when you order it, what you're going to get on the outside. Obviously, paint is more expensive. You have deep tint safety glass windows. You're going to have a nice power awning here with an LED light strip built in close to the body of the RV, adjustable arms for tilting, and a manual override in the front arm head in case of an electronic failure. The entry exit door comes down pretty low here, so it's a nice easy step up into the RV. Traditional window and screen door on the door. This one was ordered with the optional outside TV hookup here. So as you can see, there's a TV right there. Again, is a smart TV, 32-inch, 12-volt powered TV. So if you're boondock camping or whatever, you can still get some TV. The unit has a decent amount of storage down below on the outside. So you're going to have a couple compartments down here, and you're going to have your propane area back here, and then you'll have some more compartments in the back we'll see here in a second. 6-gallon gas and electric water heater, so you can use it on the campground's dime if you are using the electric side, or on your dime if you're using the propane side. Typically, I like to use the campground's electric if I'm there, but when I'm boondocking or whatever, I like to use my propane. You're going to have electric outlet here, and you also have your furnace exhausting out right here as well. You have 2 JBL speakers up high right there. Moving on back right here, you are going to have your... You also have an area here with some storage, and it also has a little compartment right there that pops down so you can get to some winterization stuff. And then right here is one of the air valves for the air bag. So it has an air ride system on the back. So you will have an air valve on this side and one on the other side. Then you're going to have a nice big storage area down here. And it does go all the way across to the other side. You'll see when we get over there. A motion light over there as well. Or not, sorry. A light on each side of that compartment as well. Now looking at the slide out, this is a Schwintech or Lippert in-wall slide on this side. And you can see it does have the slide out awning cover over top of that. Very nice, helps shade the room, repels a lot of water, leaves, twigs, debris, that type of stuff. You do have a nice kind of black cap there on the top of the wall. And you have in the center up there a rear observation camera. That's very nice, so you can see what's going on behind you when you were driving down the road. There's also a camera on each side, so you can see what's going on beside you when you're driving down the road. That's pretty cool. Now, there is a gas line hookup right down here where you can see that little tag down there. And then you have a 2-inch hitch receiver down here. This is a towing style hitch, so you can tow things with it. Just don't overload it. You're going to also have a 7-way Bargman plug there. That is basically pre-wired up for a 4-way flat system. If you actually needed a brake control for whatever you're towing behind you, you would have to hardwire in a brake control for that. You are going to have prepping right here for a ladder. Now, it's a telescoping ladder by Lippert. They actually provide the factory with these little prep up here for them. And then they basically want you to buy their ladder, telescope it up, hook it on, lets you climb up and down, get on and off your roof, do your maintenance and your inspections and stuff like that. So speaking of the roof, let's hop up here real quick and check out the roof of this thing. All right, I wanted to hop up here real quick and just kind of show you what the roof of the 2025 Sunseeker 3010 might look like, depending on how you order it option-wise. So kind of starting back there in the back, you can see one of the 2 low-profile GE air conditioners. This one was ordered with 2 ACs. You have a roof vent, plumbing stack vent, and skylight. You're going to have a roof vent with a maxi air cover on it. You have your second AC right there. And then just on the other side of that AC, this one was also ordered with a solar panel. And then you have a vent up here, and then you have your Winegard Air 360 Plus TV antenna. Now, the main point of kind of getting up here was just show you, there's a whole lot of items up here that you have to get up here and maintain. This is a one-piece fiberglass roof. So it's a little bit easier to maintain and a little harder to damage. However, it doesn't really matter if it's fiberglass, rubber, TPO, or whatever. They're all going to have holes in them like this that you have to maintain. That's extremely important to get up here and do your inspections and stuff. And you can also kind of see what the top of the slide topper also looks like from here. All right, let's head back down. All right, back down here on the ground again, just make sure you do your maintenance, folks, extremely important. Okay, so you're gonna have the other side of your large storage compartment area right here. There's a light in here as well. Baggage door held up by the magnetic holder. You have your detachable power cord right here. And then you're gonna have your dump area right here. So you have your black and gray dumping out right here. You have your black tank flush to clean out the toilet system. Outside utility shower to use as a shower if you need to, but also to help clean up any mess you might accidentally make. You also have your city water inlet here, and then right back there is the valve for the airbag on this side. You do have your gas fill up right here. And then I forgot to turn on the little light up there as well, but there's a light on this side. This is a dual rear wheel setup here. Again, has airbags on the back of it. Got a little storage compartment area here underneath of the dinette area, I believe it is. And then you're gonna have another section of storage, quite a bit of storage right here actually, to stash some goodies. And then down here, you have your generator. And right here you can see, this is powered by Yamaha, very nice 4,500 watt generator. You can start it out here, start it inside, has hour meter and stuff on it. And then also, right here is one of your side cameras pointing down the side. Step back here so you can kind of see down this whole side a little better. This is on the E450 Ford chassis, 7.3 liter gas engine. It does have an aluminum running board down here as well. You do have power and heated mirrors. Very nicely done here. Got your heated mirror and power controls and stuff right here. We'll kind of look over the cab here shortly. You do have a very nice heavy-duty fiberglass front cap as well. And you'll notice there's no windshield in it. Or not windshield, but the window in the top cap up there. A lot of leaks happen in Class C motorhomes in the fact that they have a window up there. So I like the fact that they left it out. Hopefully that will make this last a lot longer than the ones that you typically see, you know, 5-10 years down the road where the whole front of them's rotted out from a window leak. So keep that in mind as you are shopping around. All right, now we're going to step back inside. I wanted to step back in here real quick and just kind of show you what the cab area kind of looks like. So I kind of put the ladder back over out of the way, put the bunk mattress piece up out of the way as well. So you can kind of see this a little bit better, how this sofa just kind of spun around here. In the cab section here, you can see you're going to have power windows, power door locks right there. You're also going to have your mirror controls and stuff as well. Dash area here. Does have tilt steering. And then you have a very nice large stereo system set up here. You're going to have your little cup holder area. And then you can see here the camera system actually built in up here. You got your traditional sun visors up there as well. Seat belts do adjust up and down a little bit. And then let's step out here real quick so we can kind of see this a little better. On your doors, you do have a couple little cubbies on each side. And then you're going to have a little glove box down here. Let's go check out the other side real quick. Now be sure to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, guys. They are, again, one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. Should definitely save you guys a lot of money on a new RV if you're interested. You're going to have right here on the side a little auxiliary battery button here to kind of help with starting in case the engine battery goes dead or something. You can basically use the house batteries to kind of jump it. It's kind of cool when they put those on there. All right, folks, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch this tour. As always, if you don't mind, please remember to smash that like button. If you haven't done so already, please remember to subscribe. Thanks again.